going to see how to Cassandra database with Java. Okay, before that we will see this is the command prompt where our Cassandra server is running. Okay, yeah, in the previous video we made us on how to set up the Cassandra, and after that for SQL SH we will be running this prompt. Okay, two different command prompt. Okay, um, it is connected to one of the database, okay, which we'll be using. Okay, here if you go to the our services, this is a RESTful web services where we'll connect database. Okay, get data is to used for the select method. Okay, here if you see go here we will give the select method. Okay, if we consider we have a select method like select star from person details. Okay, if you see here select star from person details, these are the columns which are available. Okay, that is person id, address, email id. Okay, when we query here, it reaches the query reaches over here and go to the select method. Okay, from here we'll go to the get connection. Okay, in get connection we have a Cassandra connector. Okay, .java file. In that there is a connect method. Here the port number and then client's IP address and the port number will reach here. Okay, and with the help of add point we have a builder to hold the IP address and the port number. After that from the builder we'll get the cluster. Okay, from the cluster metadata we can see the cluster name, and from the cluster.connect we will get the session. Okay, from this session only we will be getting the code this code select. Okay, then from the session, okay, this get connection will be here. If you go here, this get connection will hold the connections, okay, of the Cassandra with the concerned IP address and port, and after that it will execute the query. Okay, with the execute method as like as MySQL. Okay, here the query will be somewhat different. Okay, Cassandra is also has the table structure similar to MySQL or Oracle. Okay, has RDBMS database, but Cassandra is a MySQL database. Okay, for IP address we can get the IP address over here. Okay, then for a port number I will show you how to get the port number. Okay, when we start the SQL SH. Okay, the specific path, something we have error. Okay, sorry, SQL SH. Okay, here if you see the IP address and port number of the cluster, this only we are connecting in the code. Okay, as IP address and a port number. Okay, in the connect method. Okay, this is what. And for a database we will be having a use command. Okay, to use the database. And for query here, okay, select query, this is the code which we are using for the select query. Okay, code select, if you go here, this is the code. Just simply get the connection from the Cassandra and execute the these commands. Okay, select stuff from commands. Okay, and we go move on to the next method. Okay, when we get the response, we will get in the result set. Okay, from the row we will be based upon the data set we will be getting it is integer, int, variant, okay, long, boolean, timestamp, like that. Okay, and we go to the insert as like the insert. Okay, you can see the query. Okay, as this is the insert query. Okay, date of now will insert the current date. Okay, UID will be insert a UID rather than integer or auto increment is not available over here like MySQL. We will have the UID. Okay, if this command reaches over here, okay, as like this one, it will get the connection from the Cassandra and execute the query. Okay, execute this insert query. Okay, and then update also the same. Here we have a update command. Okay, with the where condition, it is similar to the MySQL update query also. Update table update table name, set the set the value, okay, with comma separator multiple can be set, and with the where condition we can do a update operation. Okay, here also the same execute will be performed. Okay, in MySQL or Oracle it will be execute execute insert. Okay, something it will be different method. Here we'll be having a execute. Okay, it will execute the query, and for the delete also the same. Okay, the delete query you can see this is similar to MySQL or Oracle. Okay, delete from table name, where this condition reaches here it goes to the execute method of the delete. Okay, execute method get connection and do the execute. Okay, and it will be deleted. Okay, this is central different purpose statement. Okay, and to connecting to this we need two drivers, that is a Cassandra driver and a Cassandra JUnit. Okay, this we exported and added as a library in Maven project. We can add this one to as a dependency, and the same code blocks will be working in the Cassandra also. Okay, okay, database here Cassandra. Okay, and in this database file we'll be having the all the things connection. First get the connection, and after that some method for CRUD operations like select, insert, update, delete, everything will be done over here. Okay, okay, thanks all for watching this video.